far to come this far only. Good morning, respected Chief Guest, Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and our beloved fellow students. Today, as we gather to celebrate our annual Sports Day,
it's a fitting occasion to reflect on the achievements, activities and growth our school has experienced over the past years. This report highlights the milestones we have achieved and the vibrant community we are building together.
at Greenfield School, we believe that diamonds are just pieces of coal that deal well under pressure, and our students are no less than diamonds. This year, we are proud to announce our 100% pass results across all our grades.
Our commitment to academic excellence continues to be a fruit as demonstrated by outstanding performance of our students.
Firstly, I would like to announce our ISC topper Palak Gupta, who achieved an impressive 96.25% with 100 marks in biology. Please clap your hands.
Now we have ICSC topper Nayonika Shukla excelled with 99 percentile and 36 students above 90%. Angel Singh with 100 out of 100 in History, Civics, Geography and Computer Application. Priyansh Arora in 100 in Chemistry and History, Civics. Divyanka Gaur 100 in Commerce. Ishita Jaiswal Economics in 100 and Nayonika Shukla 100 in Computer and Economics.
Please clap for all the students, as there are 15 students who scored above 90% in class 12 as well. These results are a testament to the hard work and dedication of both our students and teachers, reinforcing our position as a leader in quality education. Now, further we will move on to excellent sports. Our school has also shone brightly in the field of sports this year, showcasing the talents and determination of our athletes. First up, I'd like to announce Naman Bharti from class 11B, who bagged gold in CISE Regional Boxing Championship. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. And silver at the National Boxing Championship. Also, Samalika Singh from class 6C, who secured bronze in the CISE Regional Taekwondo Championship. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. She truly deserved it. Our team excelled at the CISE Taekwondo Zonals, bringing home 3 golds, 1 silver and 4 bronze medals. Congratulations.
At the district level Taekwondo Championship, our athletes achieved 10 gold, 5 silver and 14 bronze medals. In CISC Kho-Kho Zonal Tournament Boys Team, we won silver in under 19 and under 17 categories and gold in under 14. Let's have a round of applause for them. Also, they participated and wonderfully performed in regionals. Our school also participated in zonal basketball tournament and saw victories in inter-house volleyball like Magnolia House, inter-house cricket, Gulmohar House, inter-house Kho-Kho tournament, boys, Gulmohar House and girl Laburnum House.
Now, further we have science and technology excellence. This year marks significant advancement in technology integration with our curriculum. We introduced coding and robotic classes in well-equipped AI lab,
allowing a student to explore their interest in STEM fields.
Achievements: the Robo Ranger team from Greenfield School qualified for the zonals in the CISE Robotics Competition Robola. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone.
Students from class 3 to 8 created and presented wonder games using block coding on National Technology Day.
We participated in National Space Day at AKTU organized by ISRO Lucknow.
Our school launched a unique app to enhance communication with parents.
All classes are now equipped with smart boards fostering creative learning. We are so very proud and so very grateful for it.
This year, we introduced various enriching events that fostered critical thinking and creativity.
First off, we had the Model United Nations program was launched, allowing students to engage in global issues as well. We hosted a general knowledge quiz in property speaking and elocution competitions, both individual and group as well.
Our vibrant debate competition encouraged students to express their opinion confidently. Celebration including fancy dance, dress, salad and fruit dressing, tattoo making and poster making on Children's Day, showcasing our students' creativity and spirit.
Also, we had educational and fun trips over the year. We also prioritized experimental learning through educational trips, such as visits to AKTU, the Rock Sport Adventure Camp where we had a lot of fun, and an orphanage where students learned valuable life lessons.
For Teachers Empowerment Program, recognizing that our teachers are backbone of our success, we implemented various teacher empowerment programs this year, ensuring that they are equipped with latest teaching methodologies and professional development opportunities.
We also collaborated with Sportsvilla for organized sports and physical activities. Also, we celebrated all the important occasions by various plays and performances.
As we reflect on this past year, we are reminded of the journey we have undertaken together.
Each achievement, whether academic, athletic or creative, has contributed to the rich tapestry of our school community. Together, we are paving the way for a brighter future.
Thank you for your attention and let us continue to strive for excellence in all that we do.
Here's to another successful year at Greenfield School. Please give a big round of applause, everyone.